Imagine a world where forests grow back 10 times faster, where drones plant trees with surgical precision, and where AI decides the perfect spot to heal the planet. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now in Japan. In this video, you'll discover how Japan's cutting-edge reforestation project is using AI-powered drones and smart seed pods to revolutionize the way we restore forests, fight climate change, and reshape our environment for the better. The Earth is losing forests at an alarming rate. Every year, over 10 million hectares of forest disappear due to deforestation, urbanization, and climate change. Traditional reforestation methods are slow, expensive, and often fail due to poor soil or human error. We need smarter, faster, and more scalable solutions. And that's where Japan's AI drone project comes in. In Japan, scientists and engineers have collaborated to develop an AI-driven drone technology that's rewriting the rules of forest restoration. These aren't just any drones. They are equipped with GPS, sensors, and AI algorithms that analyze real-time data like satellite imagery, soil quality, and weather patterns to identify the most ideal places to plant trees. The drones carry smart seed pods, small capsule-like containers packed with seeds of native tree species, essential nutrients, organic fertilizers, hydrogalls that retain water, beneficial bacteria and fungi like mycorrhiza. This combination gives the seeds everything they need to grow, even in barren or poor soil. Once the AI selects the optimal planting zones, the drones take flight. Flying over rough terrains and inaccessible areas, they drop the smart pods with incredible accuracy. The GPS ensures every pod is planted exactly where it's supposed to be. The technology dramatically increases the germination rate, up to 2 to 3 times higher than traditional seeding. It also reduces seed waste by up to 80%, making the process highly efficient. And here's the kicker. The reforestation speed is nearly 10 times faster than manual planting, while also cutting costs in half. The environmental impact of this innovation is profound. Trees are one of the most powerful natural tools we have to absorb carbon dioxide, cool the atmosphere, prevent soil erosion, rebuild wildlife habitats. Restoring forests with this speed and precision can help us meet climate goals faster and reverse decades of ecological damage. While this project started in Japan, its potential is global. Countries battling deforestation, from Brazil to Indonesia, or Africa's Sahel region, could use this technology to restore green cover rapidly. The system is scalable, automated, and adaptable to different climates and landscapes. With enough investment and international collaboration, we could reforest millions of hectares every year. This is more than just technology. It is a new philosophy of restoration, one that uses the best of human innovation to repair what human activity has damaged. In the future, these drones could plant mangroves and fruit trees in arid lands, or native species in fire-damaged zones. AI-powered reforestation isn't just a dream, it's already saving the planet, one seed at a time. If this inspired you, share this video and help spread awareness of how AI is transforming our world, not just through robots or machines, but by literally bringing forests back to life. Leave a comment. What would you plant with your own reforestation drone? And don't forget to subscribe for more futuristic, science-based, and planet-positive content. Together, let's make sure innovation works for the Earth.